Daily use English sentences. 1. Call me back. 2. I will call you later. 3. Where do you live? 4. I did not understand. 5. I don't have time. 6. You are my responsibility. 7. Do you know what I mean? 8. Can you turn the volume up? 9. Improve your handwriting. 10. I'm good at my work. 11. Where is your office? 12. He sleeps in the afternoon. 13. I can't wait any longer. 14. When will you reach? 15. How old are you? 16. What is happening here? 17. How are you? 18. What did you say? 19. How can I go to the city? 20. What do you like the most? 21. Go down 22. They like each other. 23. I am busy. 24. What would you like to have? 25. Could you stay away from my... 26. Hope to see you next time. 27. What can I do for you? 28. Are you joining us? 29. I made it. 30. I'm busy at the moment. 31. What is your problem? 32. By God's grace. 33. I wish you a happy married life. 34. How disgraceful. 35. What do you want from me? 36. Have a good trip. 37. What are you doing today? 38. I am feeling tired today. 39. How dare you? 40. What do you need? 41. God bless you. 42. I admire you. 43. What is your favorite subject? 44. Anything else? 45. I hope so. 46. Are you coming with me? 47. I hope you understand. 48. Don't be ridiculous. 49. She wakes early in the morning. 50. Do you agree with me?